Well, it's not too difficult to recognise it, is it? I mean, straight away you'll be able to say, well, first of all, did we say that the 46.40 was going to be the big level? Well, let's look back and remind ourselves what we did say. As a reminder of support was, of course, at 40. You'll see that support was highlighted on the 14th of January last week. 14th of January, we suggested that there was a support level. The key support level for us was 46.40, 46.40. So when we understand that and we put that on our screens, you can obviously see one of the key reasons why that's a very, very big level for us. Number one, it's a round number. Number two, it's obviously a very, very big change of behavior level from this price here. So we can already recognize that it's a very big change of behavior. Now, bearing in mind, we sent this out on the 14th. So you're already aware that this price is of some significance. This price is of some significance. We've seen it before. We see it seemed to act on several occasions. It was the difference between this balance area in the background here when the sell came in, and then it pinned it, it pinned it, it pinned it, got through it, fast money move, came back to it this morning, right off the 46.40s, or right off the 46.40 price again here. On a retest, we came right off the 46.40, and obviously the top line price isn't too difficult to recognize either. It's absolutely perfect. Structural wise, we can recognize quite clearly what the structure is that this trade is doing. We can see that 46.40 at the half back here, top line price, bottom line price, and ultimately for the bulls, a major target price of 47.25 area to target into. And so that's where we're looking at price developing on the upside. So you can see how it's played out, guys. You can see how it's played out. Beautiful bit of business. Nice outcomes. And that doesn't get much clearer than that, if I'm being honest. When we see a big wholesale price and there's a lot of sellers coming in, it gives the buyers a great opportunity to buy for the markup. This is why technical studies like double tops and double bottoms, especially short-term double tops and double bottoms, become incredibly good for commercials, because everybody knows that everybody sees them. And because everybody sees them, a lot of technical guys will sell hard against a double top. They'll sell hard on the retest of it. They'll sell hard into the first touch. They'll sell hard into the second touch. They'll sell just before it. They'll sell just after it because it's got the stops. They'll never quite understand that it doesn't make any difference whether the price goes or doesn't go. The commercials will use that selling to be buying the final piece of the jigsaw puzzle and mark up the price, and that's exactly what happens. So you see a very, after a sell comes in, if the buyers are still coming in against a sell off a double top, it's a great suggestion that we're going higher at that stage, aren't we? Very, very simple to understand that type of process. So a great trade, lovely outcome, and 46.40 is up to a high print of 46.65. It's 25 points, a $1,200 profit, and that's all she wrote. That was a beautiful little bit of business. Looking for and waiting for new opportunities. Max has been on top of the short side. We talked about the sell on upticks earlier. Coming off the 23s, now trading a low print of 17s. And Max has just put in a bid at 17s to take the price back up after going on bid watch at 19s. The low was obviously 18.5, so you start looking about 18s for the break. You know that if Max is on bid watch and the low is at 18s, you know Max will probably be trying to take the price below the 18s. And once the price goes there, there's a very good chance we'll see that buy side reversal coming back against the trade. So nice outcome. If you took it, I like your styles.